Wait a minute, get it how you live it. 10 toes in when we standing on business. I'm a big stepper, underground methods.
Hello everyone, and welcome to Walking Frames Production Private Limited. Today, we'll walk you through the process of creating this CGI effect. Start by importing your footage into After Effects and center it in the frame. Press B and N to crop the timeline at a single frame, then hit Ctrl M to export the frame as a PNG sequence. Next, import the PNG sequence into Photoshop. Use the pen tool to create a path around your object. In the Layers panel, select Paths, right-click on Work Path, and choose Make Selection. Press Ctrl J to duplicate the layer and hide the original layer, isolating your object. Repeat this process for different parts of the tower and save a PSD file. Use the Clone Stamp tool to remove the tower from the frame by cloning the sky. The Clone Stamp tool copies pixels from one area of an image and applies them to another. Import the PSD file into After Effects. Position the tower to align with the footage. Add keyframes to each layer to animate them as desired. Add both position and rotation keys to top base layer. For this layer, create a mask and add keyframes to the mask path to achieve a reveal effect. Add position and mask path keys to top layer. Add position keys to roof layer. Move anchor point down and add rotation keys to upper tower layer. Press Ctrl A to select all layer and then press U to reveal all keyframes and select them all and press F9 to easy ease them. Make a mask at the base of the tower to simulate it emerging from the ground. Duplicate the footage layer and remove the freeze frame. Place a third duplicate footage layer immediately after the animated tower composition. Adjust the duplicate footage so that the tower comes in center of the frame. Match the last frame of this comp to the first frame of the footage to ensure continuity in the camera rotation. Add a null object and parent both freeze frame footages and the tower comp to it. Apply scale keyframes at the start of the null object to address the stillness in the first frame and position keyframes to create a shake and distortion effect on the tower. Finally, press Ctrl-Shift-C to pre-compose the final composition. Cut the layer where the animation ends, duplicate the composition. Reverse the duplicate comp. You'll achieve this type of output with these adjustments.
Wait a minute, get it how you live it. 10 toes in when we standing on business. I'm a big stepper, underground method.